Today we will show you one of our hot sale products, the rotary screen bucket. We have five models to suit for 2 to 40 tons excavators. In my left, this one is the 6 to 12 tons excavators, and that one is for 20 to 30 tons excavators. And we have bigger ones. That ones is for 30 to 40 tons excavators. Different models to suit for different kind of excavators.